We have another listing, guys. This is 413 square meters at 5,000 pesos per square meter. Same owner to the first one, to the 5,532. So pareha lang sila, no, ang mayari. So again, the price is 5,000 pesos per square meter. This is a corner lot. Corner lot na siya, guys. This is a actually there's so many grass, no, kanang kuan, but this is 6 meters wide road. Then aside from that concrete road, so there's a concrete road, then there is another road which is around 6 meters. So very nice property located in Panglao Island in San Isidro, no. It's part of Dawes, Bohol, and boundary of Panglao Bohol, which is Panglao Island. So actually again, guys, no, there are two towns in Panglao Island, Dawes Bohol and the Panglao Bohol. So just this property is belongs to Dawes Bohol, which is almost the boundary, so in the middle of Panglao Island. Then on the other side, which is the east side. So this is nearer to the beaches in Panglao Island. So malapit lang siya sa mga beach, no, papunta sa mga Panglao Island. This is ideal for apartment residential purposes. It's really a clean title, limpyong limpyo. So again, I warn you, no, to be careful in Panglao Island. There are several, no, di po tanan, no, but you need to be careful because there are already victims, no, especially those subdivided, no, selling by the agents, no, subdivided lots. So this is one title, guys, one title. So we're going to heading to outside, no, along highway, then to the beach, no. So ito ay malapit lang po sa subdivision ng primary homes. We're also selling in primary homes. There are still available house and lot for sale in primary homes ranging from 4 million. So if you want house and lot, I can sell in primary homes subdivision and also the condominium in primary homes. They're still available, no, ready for occupancy and kuan, guys. So condo and subdivision. So we will back to we will focus the 413 square meters, no. This is the malapit lang talaga sa highway yon, guys. Super lapit lang. At ito po yon ang highway, the east side. Kasi tatlong daanan yung Panglao. Middle and the east and west, no. So yan po ang primary homes office, no. Satellite office. Then the showroom. So again, we can sell in that subdivision. So we are accredited broker, no. Then this is going to Alona. Now we're heading to the beach, guys, no. Papunta tayo sa beach. Ito ay medyo cliff lang, no, nga beach, pero kung pupunta tayo doon sa yung parang sa Boracay, doon tayo sa Alona. Just few minutes drive lang po. So yun, maganda yung 413 kasi kung marami tayo, kung gusto tayong mag-invest, gusto tayong tayo ng paupahan, mga apartment. So yun ang maganda, 413 at sa yung 532. Yun sa pinsan ko, no, na lawyer, no. Yeah, sa kanila yun. So ito po yung daanan papunta sa beach. Malapit lang talaga, guys. Just few minutes drive lang. Kung maglakad, pwede naman maglakad tayo. Magpunta tayo doon, jogging, walking. So ito po yung na beach na. May sarili kayong, kung gusto kayong magbakasyon sa Panglao, very known yan. So libre, walang pwede kayo maligo dito. Walang bayad, no. Pasok tayo dito. Pero sa mga sasakyan, may may babayaran talaga yung mga sasakyan. Pero kung mag-walking ka lang, mag-biking, walang problema yan. Motor, wala. Ito ay bandang ano to sa San Isidro. Pero kung magtanong kayo kung mayroon bang for sale dito na beach, ay mayroon pero malaki, mga around 2,000 yata yon at 25,000. So mahal ang beach lot dito guys. Mahal na. So ito po yon. Pwede tayo, it's a low tide. Yung bata na yan no, may flowing water no, galing dyan. Sinabihan ko flowing water pala yan. Din this beach is facing Pamilacan Island. Pero hindi natin makita yung Virgin Island, yung controversial, yung nandun sa social media, yung barbecue pa lang is 100 pesos. hindi na pinapasukan ng kinondem ng municipal ng Panglao. So parang ano, wala pang ano sa Virgin. Ito lang sa Pamilacan Island. Kung magpunta kayo sa Pamilacan Island, diving, mga snorkeling doon, pwede tayo dito. May mga boat dito na available. So, going back to the property, we are selling no again 413 at 5,000 pesos per square meter. It's a clean title. So, maganda. Maganyan talaga basta sa Panglao guys, kung gusto ka ng legit na binibenta yan ng mga presyuhan talaga. May mga mura-mura pero nasa loob na talaga, hindi na masyado maganda. Pero ito, maganda to location kasi along concrete road at malapit lang talaga sa beach. So, mayroon pang binibinta natin guys, yung 172 at 182 yata yon. Malapit lang sa highway, just walking distance. Ito makikita natin. Still part of Panglao Island. So, pero yon ay belong sa Dawis na at Katarman. So, ito po yung na beach ay madali ito mapuntahan guys. It's an open area. So, yan po. Pag mag-invest kayo sa Panglao, ito talaga maganda. Bili tayo dito. So, see, very nice, no? Very nice ang location. Kung gusto lang kayong bumili ng hindi masyadong malaki, ito na po. Ito na po ang hindi masyado. Ito lang. Picture ko lang ang naano. So, 172 and 182 at 6,000 pesos per square meter. Very close from National Highway along concrete road. Medyo nasa baba lang yung lupa. Pero depende sa pag-design natin guys. Depende lang yan. So, yan po. So, makita natin sa map. May ano tayo dyan. So, 172 at and 182 square meter. It's a clean title. Separate title yan guys. So, maganda yan for investment talaga. Kung magtayo tayo ng bahay ng maliit, pang rest house, ito po, maganda po. 6,000 pesos per square meter. Along concrete road yan, guys. So, maganda. Super ganda. Ito po yung map, guys. So, yung sketch plan yan po. So, okay. So, super ganda yan. Very close from highway lang. 6,000 pesos per square meter.